Hello, my name's Alia Begum, I'm 18 and I'm from Birmingham, and I'm very excited to be commended in this challenge about the climate crisis because I really enjoyed writing this poem and I think it's an issue that I really care about. And with this poem in particular, I decided to explore the impact that we have on our local area and this idea of a sense of kind of indifference and ignoring the problems that we're creating and just expecting the natural world to kind of clean up after our mess. And although in this poem it's on a more individual basis, I do think it's representative of this of kind of global attitudes towards the climate crisis, in particular with these massive corporations and companies and billionaires that are just destroying the planet for profit, which I find really sad. And I do think we need to place more emphasis on their role in the climate crisis, while also obviously acknowledging our own individual responsibilities as well. And so I explore these ideas in this poem, although on a much more local level, and it's called Walking to the Train Station. One day, you will notice the bluebird asthma pump. Hear the birdsong vapour slice through grey fumes and soothe the inflamed tarmac of these wheezing streets. It hides in the tree, modest until it decides to sing. Its plastic sapphire beak harmonises with the white noise of your earphones, only one side of which still works. It dispels the grey haze that exhausts, but today its turbine wings clamour for your attention. You step over the broken glass that shimmers beneath feet, the drunk confetti outside the pub from last night. But you miss the magpie sorting through the shards, clinking them into different recycling bins unseen. You see the mayonnaise outline of the discarded chips. Ketchup packet exploded onto the pavement crime scene. But not the goldfinch that wears her high-vis with pride. She picks up the crisp packets from grass verges before they reach the polluted depths of a local puddle. You gaze across these pools of mercury and finally notice the world looking back. Upside down and inside out, it pleads with you, asks you to take care of these streets you cross, your allotment in the garden of this unruly world. But you don't listen, distracted by the sound of an engine fading further away. You have missed your train too. Thank you for listening.